Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at something that I really feel the world needs more of. And that is a multi-pencil. And this is the, I'm sure I'm going to mispronounce it, the Tutto3 mechanical multi-pencil. And let's open this thing up and take a look. I gotta tell you, I'm kind of excited about this one. So... Art International. Oh, if you're interested in one of these, I'll include a link in the description. Let's open this thing up and take a look. Ooh. Okay. So... Okay. Hold pen horizontally, face the icon of the, it could just say gravity fed. Okay. Anti-slip knurl. Lead unjam stick. Retractable sleeve. Back button, eraser under cap. Ah, super nice of them to explain all that stuff. So let's see. So we get some blue lead. And some not blue lead, and some. So we got two 5mm, we got a 7mm, and we got a 3mm. So again, not bad. And extra erasers, and a lead jam remover thing, I guess. Okay. So first of all, just picking this thing up, this feels like a serious pencil. Like, no joke, it has a little bit of weight to it. Now, one thing I should point out is this isn't really a cheap pencil. I want to say it's like 40 or 50 bucks. But the thing is, it feels like it's worth it. It feels like a very solid very solid pencil. So, replace those. So that's not bad, I guess. That's okay, I guess. So let's check this thing out. So let's start with the 0.5mm lead. So this is the Tutto3. And this is a 0.5mm. Alright. So try the 0.3. So this is the Tutto3 0.3mm lead. I've learned from some of my other experience with the small lead that I tend to break it. And so we have the Tutto3 0.7mm. Not bad. So here's a question. How do I add lead? Well, this unscrews. So let's see. Is anything else unscrewed? I'm kind of leery about just pulling these things out. Oh. Okay. Oh, there you go. If you want to know how to refill them, you pull it out and you put the lead in there. So let's put this thing back in here. And we'll put this back in. And I guess there you go. That answers the question of how you refill it. Yeah. Okay. That's kind of cool. So, question answered? That looked like the larger of the three. So let's check this out and make sure I didn't like break something. seemed like... Okay. So I pulled the lead out. So let's try this. I'll try actually refilling this thing. And we'll pick the larger of the three, which looks to be... Oh, we can just check it this way. Pick the larger of the three. And we'll pop this thing off. Put the lead in. Pop this thing back on. Like so. And then we'll test it out. This is kind of fun. Alright. So we had the 0.7. Maybe. I wonder if I have a lead jam or something. Oh, there we go. Okay, took a little bit of work to get it out. So this is a Tutto3 0.7 millimeter. Yay! Alright. Well, that's kind of cool. And it's a pretty solid pen. Yeah, pretty solid pencil. Anyway, let me know what you think. I know that this is probably more useful for people doing sketching and that kind of thing. Maybe. Not exactly sure. But I'm assuming having the three different sizes of lead would be useful. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if y'all know of any other multi-pencils out there, let me know too, please. Because I am a big fan of multi-pens, and there just aren't many multi-pencils out there. Anyway, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.